And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 41. Let me show you how you can resize images. So I've got the same photo here in two different projects. We'll switch to the first one here. And you may be tempted to go to image, use image size, and then resize it. I'm gonna unlock this link icon so that we can adjust width and height individually. And here we want to make it, for example, for YouTube video, 1920 x 1080. Image is pretty big, so Photoshop has to work a little bit to make that happen. So 1920 width, 1080 height would be good for 16:9 videos. I'll confirm we're okay. And you can see it resized the image and also canvas to that size, but it now stretches the image. And this is usually not what you want, so here's the original and here's the stretched one. Because this new 16:9 aspect ratio doesn't fit the aspect ratio of the original image and therefore it gets stretched. Just as the explanation, when we go to image size, you can see that we now have it 1920 x 1080 and this is also a canvas size now. So image size resizes both image and the canvas. Let's go back to the original here in our second project. And now we don't go to image size, there's the original, we go to canvas size. And here we resize it to 1920 x 1080. Pixel is set for width and height. I click on OK. You might get this warning message. The canvas size is just smaller than the current one, and this will make the image clip. That's not an issue, or at least it's an issue that we can easily solve. So just confirm we proceed. And now you can see the canvas is sized down, but the image isn't. And we can simply press Ctrl T to transform the image. And now we can go down here with a left click drag. I'll zoom in, reposition it a little bit, confirm via enter. And now we have the image at the size that we want for YouTube videos. But it doesn't get stretched. So here was the stretched one where the aspect ratio was adjusted. And here is the unstretched one where the aspect ratio is kept. So if you want to resize an image, for the most part, you want to go to canvas size first and then use transform Ctrl T to size your image down to that new canvas size. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.